Turns out I can't remove it without lifting the engine up or breaking it, which this was about 150 bucks. And I bit the hell out of it with a hammer and it did not break. What I need to do now is to lift the engine up somehow, and I need to clear about that much space, and I got nowhere to go. Okay, let's do it the right way without having to break it. I installed this engine hoist, or brace, whatever it's called. Hooked it up to the headers on both sides. Not the right way to do this, but the only way that I can finish this tonight. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to make the engine lean. And used to get about 1 inch of clearance that I needed. And now that's all that's needed. So let's hope that I don't break something before I clear the space. So don't install the wrong oil pan. Oh, that took a lot. So now the pickup tube has to come off, and I'm going to install the new one with just a couple of bolts to hold it in place. After a lot of colorful language, we have move this light out of the way. We installed, but here it is, turbo drain line. All of this. The issue now becomes that back here. Usually we use this in the back for the normal oil pan. Now this one is not normal. It doesn't connect to the transmission, so I need to buy bolts for whatever size this is, and then I gotta figure out a way to close this right here. It's hard to see, but I don't want that open like that, so I have to either make something or find out if there is something that's available for sale. So that's it for today. It's about 2 in the morning and it's about 2 in the morning, so